Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our lock screen from pattern to anything we want else. Of course, we need to know our lock screen pattern. In our case, it's a big L. How to change it? We need to go to settings first, then in lock screen options here at the top we have lock screen type. We have set up our pattern, so we need to input our existing pass, and now we can change whatever we want here. For example, let's use none, and that should be. We have no more lock screen, not even a swipe. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.